How to check Roblox gift card balance. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation I'll show you how to check the balance of a Roblox gift card. It's a simple process, so follow along carefully. I'll explain on how Roblox gift cards function and how to check the remaining balance. So in order to redeem a gift card, visit the Roblox website on your computer or your phone, then click on the Roblox icon in the top right corner. Then from the drop-down menu, click on Redeem Roblox Codes, and here on this page, enter your code in order to redeem it. The full amount of the gift card will be automatically added to your account. For instance, if you redeem a $50 Robux gift card, you will receive $50 worth of Robux with no remaining balance on the card. So gift cards are either usable or have been used. There is no option to check the remaining balance because it will always be fully utilized. So if you need assistance such as verifying if a gift card has been used before selling or exchanging it, you can contact the Roblox support. Go to the Roblox support page and provide your username and the email address for the communication. Select the platforms you use and choose the gift card as a help category. Then ask them to confirm if the gift card has been used or not and if there is any balance left. The displayed amount on the gift card is always the balance. If a $50 Roblox gift card shows $50, then that is the balance. Provide the necessary details and they will confirm if the card has been used and its balance. So I hope this guide on checking the Roblox gift card balance has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.